Thank you very much, members of Actors Guild of Nigeria. Mr. President sent me here yesterday because of the problem with the Army had with Chiwetelagi. I am here at the Executive Division, Nigerian Army Headquarters in Enugu. This is Chiwetelagi. Mr. President, Emeka Rolas, this is Chiwetelagi. He is hale and healthy. Nothing happened to him. He is accepted with the Army, and he is actually a happy man. You have anything to say to him?
Keep on supporting knowledge. It's the only hope, the only baby we have to sustain both our public and our private life. Thank you very much.
AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So just grab your seat and carry your popcorn, and let's deliberate on what happens today or each day. All right, my wonderful family, today I just want to bring before you the battle between the Attorney General and the governor of Anambra State. Though I'm not in support of any of them either, but I see that the governor of Anambra State is so rude. Like, he made a statement that said, is it because of 15 people that pass out? That is why the Attorney General of Nigeria is calling for emergency, state of emergency in Anambra State. Is it because of 15 people that in the northern part of Nigeria, a lot has been going on, that dozens of people lost their life, and still there is nothing like state of emergency? That why is it that it's not in Anambra State that he wants to plan such a thing that is not going to work? But my point here now is that he said, is it because so if those people would have been your family member, you see, that is why we are saying there is no need for election. There is no need, because if he can come out and say thousands of people, dozens of people lost their life in the northern part of Nigeria and nothing happened, why is it that that type of thing want to happen in Anambra State? That is not going to be possible. There are 15 people that lost their life. They are just too small for the Attorney General to make such utterances. All right, let me leave it so you watch the video and let us deliberate on it, and I will be right back.
Very, very unfortunate. I also reported that to the president, and this is not in the books for the president, because he knows that Anambra has been the safest state in Nigeria for 7 years plus.
Imagine.
These invaders from outside Anambra State, from the neighboring towns, we are going to deal with them. We're already working, so there's nothing, even to contemplate state of emergency. Unfortunate. Look at what is happening in the north. They kill dozens every day.
They kill dozens.
Because less than 15 people were killed in Anambra people in 2 weeks. Is that the reason for somebody to call for a state of emergency? That's a very unfortunate comment by Malami. I will call him to express a reservation on those kinds of comments. He shouldn't try that. Anambra is doing well. And don't forget that Malami is on the national campaign committee for the APC candidate. So if that's their strategy, then they failed already. Come to the ballot box, Anambra will win and win hands down. Sorry, APGA will win and win hands down. So they are trying to see how they can destabilize us. No, APC has no roots in Anambra. There's nothing to call APC in Anambra. Anambra is APGA. Yes. And I mentioned it, and the president didn't suggest that. The president is firm. He wants a peaceful election in Anambra State. He wants a free and fair election in Anambra State. That's the president for you. But if people in his party are going around making insinuations, using his name to do things, the president clearly told me that he does not support that. Full stop.
You heard what he said? He said, if you are among those people that are using the president, that is Buhari name, to carry weight because of this election, that the election will not hold, that the president said he have no hand on it. And he said, if because of 15 people died within 2 weeks, or less than 2 weeks, or less than 15 people, is that the reason for you to know that these people, why are you wasting your time? Why are you wasting your time? You can see the arrogance in him. See the arrogance. Just look at him. He's not telling you that if 15 people because of 15 people, that more people that are more than that lost their life in the northern part of Nigeria. Even the president that you are running to meet, the ones that happened in Katsina, who solved the problem? You left Anambra state to Abuja. Why the president in his own state also having the problem that is even more than the one that you are having, and you are running to him? Then who will solve each other's problem right now? You can see that you all are deaf and dumb. You are running to meet somebody, why the person is running to meet another person. Then who is leading who? Is it you that is leading the president, or the president that is leading you? If they say there is no need for this election, you will not blame the people. If they say they are not leaving their home, they want to stay at home, they don't have that time for this election, you will not blame them, because there are some people that in one way or the other, one of the relatives to one person that no one or one person lost their life in this particular aspect, that you are saying, is it because? You can imagine the arrogance. These people, they are working for their pockets. They are not working for you. They don't need you. They are working for their pocket and what they believe, not for you. They don't have that time to deliberate on any issues with you. They don't send you. They don't need you. They don't, in fact, nothing that you do that trigger them. They are just selfish people. Look at the way the governor is talking as if he's drunk. Must he drink? Shining his eyes here and there. Come on. Do you want to go and vote for this type of person when your interest is at stake? This man is obvious. He don't care for you. Let's tell ourselves the truth. He don't care for you. He don't even know you exist. He's just doing this for his own selfish gain, for his own upliftment, not for you. He has said it. Even some persons in his own in the same Anambra, some other parties, they are saying the president said there is no election. So for you to know that this is not even about IPOP saying this among themselves, this is obvious that the atrocity that has been carried out in the southern part of Nigeria, IPOP, Instant Security Network, they are so innocent, because you can imagine what he's saying. People are using the name of the president. Who are not the people using the name of the president? Is it IPOP members that are using the name of the president? No, let's come to think of it. These people, when they are talking, some people fail to analyze what they are saying, or some people fail to understand what they are saying. He has come out to say some people are using the name of the president to cause commotion, to cause problem. I'm not asking my own question, Mr. Man. Is it the IPOP or the Eastern Security Network that are not using the name of the president to do this? That everybody is fighting. Any little thing they say this IPOP, any little thing they say this Instant Security Network. Now you are not confessing it and saying some people are using the name of the president. Then who are not the people that are using the name of the president? That outside the president, APC don't exist in Anambra State. Anambra State is not for APC. Anambra State is for his party. And those people, because they are APC doing this bad to him, they should know that the president is not in support of them. That the president said he's not even aware of what they call state of emergency. So who is leading who? Who is lying to who? Who is deceiving who? Who is cajoling who? Come on. He is not the only one. Imagine the rest people, those the other colleague. Imagine their group. Imagine what they can do or what they can say. Imagine their ways of life. Imagine their manners of thinking. Imagine all the lies they have lied. The ones that they have cooked up. That only 15 people, if only 50 people, thousands of people lost their life in the northern part of Nigeria and nobody say anything about it. Why is it that people lost their life in a state and everybody is crying? And you are putting this person that is your governor? Chai. Please just wise up. You can as well go back again and rewind that particular place, that audio, replay it, and see for yourself what this man have said. He's now having a big problem between himself and the Attorney General. Both of them, they are not cat and rats. That one said they are going to announce state of emergency. Himself is saying nothing of such. Then who is controlling each other? Is it the Attorney General controlling the state or the state controlling who? Look at the people that you want to put in the seats. November 3rd, another election, and you will this person is coming out again. and you are going to dance to the shoe of this person, and you are saying there is election when the person don't even have your interest at heart. The number one priority, the number one person that these people supposed to serve, they are the citizen. You are there to serve them. You are there to work for them because they pay you. But rather the other way around, they are the ones that are working. You are working for them. They are stressing you, maltreating you because of leadership, because of position, and you just want to have sense and live that slavery life that you entice yourself with. Come on, don't be too dumb. This man has said it all. They don't need you. So what is the essence of you wasting your time? Just because of 15 people that died within 2 weeks, that you are giving him unnecessary stress or unnecessary cause? Imagine that. Just because of 15 people. Because of 15. Just because. And tomorrow you tell me that this man so much love you. I pity you because you don't know your left from your right. That is why you so much believe that he loves you. If really he does, will he make the statement that because of 15 people who want to die and who does not want to die? And who are the family of the 15 people? You will still go to that place and cast your votes. Men, you need to wise up. Enough is enough. They have already known our weak points. That when it is time for election, they bring bag of rice, they bring tomatoes, they bring onion. And people start to bite the idea. They gave you 5,000 naira, 4,000 naira for 4 years. 1 year, you eat 1,000 naira for 1 year. 2 years, you eat the other 2,000 naira, that is 2 years. 3 years, 4 years, they give you 4,000 naira for 4 years. At times, even for that 4 years, they will give you 1,000 naira. And you are happy, dancing, clapping. After which, you go down and fold your hands and start crying. If you go and cast that vote, don't even beg somebody that you know money. You will go and meet all those people and start begging them money. Honestly, they know during election time they will bring bag of rice. Why can't you say no for once for this election? Use this election as an example to every other election that is going to be held in Nigeria, so that they know that yes, the youth are serious. The youth knows what they want. During election time, they make all the necessary promises, and after election, opioko, everything go the other way. So please, we need to wise up. There is no need for you to waste your time. There is no need for you to go to places that you are not welcome. Stay to yourself and be wise. You don't need somebody to even preach to you. You don't need somebody to tell you what you need to know. You just have to be wise. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. I just have to drop my own personal opinion, the way I'm seeing things and the way things are going. And if you know you love this channel and you love what I am doing, please remember, share this video. Share this video. Share us as